This video right here is sponsored by Just Dance 2020 because it's the best version of this game. Hello, I am going to show you how to make some homemade cheesecake using stuff from the fridge. If you know me personally in real life, you know that I'm not really a huge cheesecake fan. Yeah, feel free to hate me, but I have a nice, better solution and tastier results, I guess. So what you want to do first is go to this lovely place in your kitchen called the fridge. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab a little something. And that is one of these. It's a zebra cake. I've actually never tried these, so yeah. So you want to grab a zebra cake, then you want to go to your other fridge and grab a slice of this. Now let's go ahead and set it up. Please excuse the messy counter. Just don't say anything about it, please. So grab the plate. Now we open this. You gotta be very careful because this is a special product. Just like that. Now we unwrap the cheese. Then we gotta put it on nice and carefully. Just like that. Then we go to the microwave.
Oh, hi, Mark.
And we put it inside. Then we set the time for about 20 seconds. Actually, we'll go with 15 seconds. Now we wait. And yes, that was correct. Look at that.
Finally, some good fucking food.
It looks delicious, doesn't it? Oh yeah, and that, yeah, so it's nice and clean, because I'm pretty sure nothing else was in it. Ah! Ow! Ooh. Okay, I actually pinched myself from the microwave, okay. Okay, now, it is served. Let's give it a test. So you guys take a nice slice. That's actually good. I actually thought this was gonna be trash. And that's how you make some good or gourmet cheesecake. Hope you find it useful.